Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make edits like Xenoz. First, understand that Xenoz-style edits are characterized by their rapid pace, intense visual effects, and precise synchronization with audio. You'll primarily use software like Adobe After Effects for complex effects and Premiere Pro for overall editing. Mastering these tools is crucial for replicating the signature look and feel, often involving specific motion blur and camera shake techniques. Next, focus on core techniques. Precise timing is paramount. Every visual cue must align perfectly with the audio track to create impact. Experiment with color grading to achieve the signature vibrant and high-contrast look, often using specific LUTs. Incorporate dynamic camera movements, like subtle shakes and quick zooms, to enhance the energy and intensity of your scenes. Now, let's dive into advanced effects. Xenoz edits often feature unique, rapid transitions that seamlessly blend clips, maintaining the fast pace. Don't underestimate the power of sound design. Adding custom sound effects for hits, whooshes, and impacts significantly elevates the overall feel. Finally, refine your edits with subtle details like light leaks or film grain for that extra layer of polish. To truly master Xenoz-style edits, optimize your workflow. Create templates for common effects and color grades to save time. Consistent practice is key. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for your vision. Remember, the more you edit, the better you'll become. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your space fresh. Keep creating amazing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.